Brainsurge, and we're going to have 6 new Brainiacs going head-to-head. Thanks for watching Mayfield, New York. Fire some double high fives up top. Woo! He's got it. Look at him. Quick on his feet, like a ninja. Your trip to San Francisco, how does it feel, buddy? Great! It feels great! That's all the time we have for Brainsurge. Tune in next time as 6 new Brainiacs are gonna take it to the streets. Thanks for watching Mayfield, New York. Well played, Patrick. Awesome. Woo-hoo! You got the karaoke machine. Stand over here. There you go. And you're getting the slime. Fantastic job, Camille. Turn around and look at the camera. That's all the time we have for Brainsurge today. Tune in next time when we go head-to-head with 6 new Brainiacs. Thanks for watching Mayfield, New York. You got it. Very nice. You got yourself the karaoke. You got yourself the computer. You're going to Vegas. You got the sliming that was promised. That's awesome. Great job, Remy. That's all the time we have for Brainsurge. Tune in next time. We have 6 new Brainiacs that are going to go head-to-head on Brainsurge. Thanks for watching Mayfield, New York. Here he goes. Oh, he's going really close. Get over there, stop the gun. Chase, you did it. Step on the feet, step on the feet. You got a rock, you got a guitar. And there it is. The sliming of a lifetime. Chase. How is it? It's cold. It's cold. And it tastes like green. That's all the time we have for Brainsurge. Tune in next time when we have 6 new Brainiacs go head-to-head. Only on Brainsurge. Thanks for watching Mayfield, New York. Woo! Go back, quick. Yes! Congratulations, Spear, you got movie glasses. You got yourself a bike. You're going to 6 Flags. And how about that? Oh, man, all those prizes. All that slime. That's all the time we have today. Tune in next time when 6 new Brainiacs go head-to-head on Brainsurge. Thanks for watching Mayfield, New York. Woo! You guys got a lot? Just like that one. You have 25 seconds to spare. You got yourself the karaoke. Oh, you got yourself a bike. You got a 6 Flags and we're both getting slime. How awesome is that? William, nice job. That's all the time we have for Brainsurge. Tune in next time when we have 6 new Brainiacs go head-to-head. Only on Brainsurge. Thanks for watching Mayfield, New York. 3, 2, 1. Oh, James! You got it! You got the karaoke machine, you got the keyboard, you got the cruise, and you got the slime! 6 new Brainiacs go head to head to head to head to head to head. Only on Brainsurge. Thanks for watching Mayfield, New York. Woo! Oh, bring it in. That's the stuff. Yes! Awesome! He's got it! Come on! Come on! Stand right here! Matt and Madison, awesome job, Matt! You got it, a guitar! You got it, a vinyl! You're getting slime! You're going on a cruise!
There it is!
Oh, it's so good!
I love it!
Oh, it's fantastic! How's it feel, Madison? It feels fantastic, Matt. How about it?
I'm feeling great!
Jeff? Woo! That's all the time we have for Brainsurge today. Tune in next time when 6 new Brainiacs go head to head to head to head to head to head. Only on Brainsurge. Thanks to the Nick Stars for coming by and playing. Thanks for watching Mayfield, New York. Oh, that's good stuff. Did you get it? Stop the clock! You got yourself a jukebox. You got yourself a mic. You're going to Universal Studios. And right now, you're getting that right there. It is so good. Oh, step back and right there. Oh, how's that feel? It feels great. That's all the time we have for Brainsurge. Thanks for watching. Tune in next time when we have 6 new Brainiacs go head to head to head to head to head to head. Only on Brainsurge. Thanks for watching Mayfield, New York. Morgan, awesome job. DJ, stop the clock. Boom. You got it. You got yourself a camera. You got yourself a mic. You're going to Vegas. But how about that? Oh, that is awesome. How does it feel? It feels awesome. Was it everything you thought it would be?
It's great.
It is really good. Guys, that's all the time we have. Tune in next time when we have 6 new Brainiacs go head to head to head to head to head to head. Only on Brainsurge. Thanks for watching Mayfield, New York. Woo! How is she doing? Oh, she's gonna stop the clock. You got it. You got yourself a sound. You got yourself a guitar. You got a stand also. And that is what we call the slide of life. Oh, stay under it. Oh, be careful. It's slippery. How's it feel? It feels cold. Was it everything you thought it would be?
No.
No. That's all the time we have. Thanks for watching. Tune in next time when we have 6 new Brainiacs go head to head to head to head to head to head on Brainsurge. Thanks for watching Mayfield, New York. And you are getting slimed. It is so good. How does it feel? Gross. It feels gross. You know what? Now that you mention it, it does feel a little gross. But it's all good. That's all the time we have for Brainsurge. Thanks for watching. Tune in next time when we have 6 new Brainiacs go head to head to head to head to head on Brainsurge. Thanks for watching Mayfield, New York. Woo! Yes, 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 stop the clock! Oh, you gotta control, you gotta break, you're going to let go! But how's that? Oh, it's so good! How's it feel? Is it awesome? Oh, it's so good! That's all the time we have for Brainsurge today. Thanks for watching. Tune in next time when we have 6 new Brainiacs go head to head to head to head to head to head. Thanks for watching Mayfield, New York. Samantha, go in the distance. Brainsurge champion. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Stop the clock. Movie glasses. Keyboard. Trip to San Fran. And the sliding of a lifetime is going so good with your hair. How does it feel?
Feels wet.
It feels wet. Mayfield, New York. Emily, you got yourself a guitar. Oh, Mike, you're going on a Safari West trip. And you know, something else has to happen here. What is it? Right there. That is fantastic. Tune in next time when we have 6 new Brainiacs go head to head to head to head to head. Only on Brainsurge. Thanks for watching Mayfield, New York. Woo! Put him there. Yes. Oh, that is awesome. This is for the trip. He's very close. Note to self, you probably shouldn't open your mouth when it's coming down. That's all the time we got for Brainsurge. Tune in next time we got 6 new Brainiacs. Go head to head to head to head to head to head. Only on Brainsurge. Thanks for watching Mayfield, New York. Dude, right there. Awesome. So close. There we go. Stop the clock. Boom. With 15 seconds left, you got yourself a wireless guitar. You got yourself a camera. Edition of Boys vs. Girls Brainsurge. Tune in next time when we have 6 new Brainiacs go head to head to head to head to head to head. Only on Brainsurge. Thanks for watching Mayfield, New York. All right. families go head to head to head to head to head. Only on Family Brain Surge. Thanks for watching Mayfield, New York. One more. Everybody's in. Oh, it's so good. Computer, air hockey table, St. Lucia. I hope they let you in, Messi, because that was awesome. Smith's family upstairs. That is all the time we have for Family Brain Surge. Tune in next time when we have 5 new Brainiac families go head to head to head to head to head. Only on Family Brain Surge. Thanks for watching Mayfield, New York. Oh, you guys did it. Yeah. Go, 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 go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on. Yeah. Come on over here. Right in. There it is. Family Brain Surge champions. Woo! Yeah, Nickelodeon star. Icon #1. That's all the time we have for Family Brain Surge. I'd like to thank all the stars of Nickelodeon for joining us. Tune in next time when we have 5 new Brainiac families go head to head to head to head to head. Only on Family Brain Surge. Thanks for watching Mayfield, New York.
Oh yeah, look at him, big. Come on. Only on Family Brain Surge. Thanks for watching Mayfield, New York.
Thanks for watching Mayfield, New York. Oh, yeah, yeah. Guess who's going to San Diego? Covered in crime. Oh, it's another family. And it is fantastic. That's all the time we have today. Tune in next time. We have 5 new Brainiac families go head to head to head to head to head. Only on Family Brain Surge. Thanks for watching Mayfield, New York. Here she goes. Guys, come on, come on, come on, come on. Sydney! Everybody's in. Guess who's going to Cancun with some new bikes?
Look at that. Perfect. And now we're recording, so you never... So far, you didn't say... Oh, wait, you missed record. I thought that will actually be on Tuesday.
Great technique.